You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chijioke Stanley, and in this video today I will be teaching you how to reduce shipping time when you're ordering products from 1688. So in case you're hearing about 1688 for the first time, 1688 it's a Chinese website. It's a Chinese e-commerce store where those people within China shop from. So now these are it's also known as a manufacturer's website where manufacturers display their products at wholesale price. So now in case you're asking if those staying outside China can shop from 1688, the answer is yes. You can shop outside 1688 by the help of shopping agents and shipping agent. So now in this video I will show you how to reduce your shipping time. You see, I know as a mini importer you might have gone a lot. You will ordering for a product and the product did not get to you at the actual time. It's one of the big challenge. It's one of the big challenge most many importers face nowadays, because your customers will be pestering you. Where is my order? Where is my order? In a case where you've collected money from that person and it would not be nice you not delivering your package to them on time, it would make them not to use your service some other time or not buying from you. So I really understand what you've been passing through. So I have decided to create this video to help you sort your issues of your goods not getting to you on time. So now make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video so that you know how I have been using to reduce my shipping time when ordering products from 1688. So you see, while buying products from 1688, you make use of a buying agent, as I've said earlier. So for me now, my buying agent normally gives me a range from 7 to 14 days before my goods get to me. But at times, if you're not careful, your goods might exceed 40 days and it might even get to 25 days before it gets to you. Some might even get up to a month before they get to you. You see, at times it's not always the fault of your buying agent or the logistics you're using making your orders. You see, at times it's sometimes the fault of the manufacturers, the supply of that particular product. Let's take for instance my buying agent stays in Lagos, Nigeria, and there is a company within Lagos, and I made my orders, and I made orders from products from a manufacturer that produces goods from in Lagos, and then those that manufacture their goods in Sokoto State, Nigeria, for example, and my buying agent stays in Lagos. Which of these manufacturer or supplier send their goods to the buying agent on time? Obviously it's Lagos, because the manufacturer stays within Lagos. So now I would always advise, before you make any order, before you place any order, always ask your buying agent his or her address, so that you will be making your order based on his location, so that you won't be ordering things far from your buying agent, so your goods will get to them on time. Highest 48 hours, your package has gotten to them. So now this is how I normally check the address whenever I come across a product. And then for instance, let's say my buying agent stays in Guangdong. I don't know, pardon me, I don't know how to pronounce it very well. So now what I'll be doing is this: make sure that orders is not far from that province, is not far from that axis. So at least minimum, at least 48 hours, all my orders has gotten to them. So if you always pick suppliers within them, your package will get to them and it will get to you within that actual range given to you. So this is a product, this is a wristband. I would always go and check for the quality first. So if you don't know how to check for quality of products, go to my next video. You'll see where I show students how to check for quality of products. So now what I normally do, I'll go down and click on entering the shop. when I click on entering the shop, I will wait for it to load. Let's be patient while it's loads. Now it takes us to the shop, to the store here, the store of this particular supplier. It takes us directly to the store where we'll be seeing so many things this manufacturer has. It sells a lot of things, not only this particular resource. So it will take us to the store. What I want to achieve here is this: I want to go straight to the store so I would know the address of this store or the manufacturer. So now I would go click. If you look below your screen, you see company's profile. I will click on company's profile. You see, when you are navigating on 1688, always make sure you're opening 1688 on a Google Chrome browser, because the Google Chrome browser helps to translate the Chinese version of this site to the English version. So open it on a Google Chrome browser. So I was going to check the particular location. So now, as you can see, it's Industrial Zone Road, Danlang Street, Longhao Dick Street, Guangdong. So if my buying agent stays within this axis, within this district of Guangdong, I would pick this product because it is closer to him or her. It is closer to him or her. That is just it. If you should pick a product close to your buying agent, the supplier send it immediately to him, close to him. It doesn't take, at times you might be even surprised that your orders are ready within 24 hours because of distance. You see, guys, China is very, very big. China is very, very big. At times, if you make an order from places that are not close to your buying agent, at times it takes them 5 days before your package gets to your buying agent. You see, if your goods take 5 days before it gets to your buying agent, you see the time your goods gets to you would increase. It will increase definitely. So I will advise you, whenever you want to make an order on 1688, always ask your buying agent for his or her address. That would help you reduce the shipping time. So when you're placing your order, within those companies within the region of your buying agent. So that is it. That is how I use in reducing my shipping, guys. So guys, if you like this video and you really love what I've been doing so far, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then always turn up your notification bell. So if you would want to also get the contact of my buying agents and shipping agents, all right, I'll be leaving my contacts in the description of this video, so you can contact me on WhatsApp and I would send the details to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for your time. See you some other time.